We've all been in a situation where, for whatever reason, we're unable to put a background back here behind our sensor. This is a photoelectric sensor looking out into space here, and we can see that it's detecting my hand all the way back here, out here in the beyond the outer rim there. So when we're trying to detect this cap, it works great, but it also will detect the cap back here with my hand if I get the angle right. So what do we want to do if we want to prevent us from seeing objects back there? We can take, this is a background suppression sensor with an adjustable sensing range, so I can just use this to teach it my range. So say I want to detect the cap right there. I set that range, and now it's on, and it'll drift off. Even though it's still touching the cap, it's off because that's too far away. So now we won't see anything back there, but it'll detect the cap every time. This is a new sensor from Baumer, the O200.GP, background suppression pinpoint LED. It has a sensing range of 20 to 120 millimeters. Smallest detectable object is 0.25 millimeters at 40 millimeters range. Powered on 10 to 30 volts VDC. And it has a push-pull output, which means that it can be a PNP or an NPN transistor output, depending on which type of connection it's hooked up to. So that is the O200 solution for detecting objects in space when you don't have a place to put a reflector or another object, and you could have interfering objects in the background.